We're going over Meguiar's Hot Shine Tire Spray. Basically, I enjoy it because after a car wash, the last thing that's dirty are your rims and your tires. So I like to spray this on my tires and it gets that dirt off as well as a nice little shine. You spray it on a little, how I do it is I spray it on a little thick on the microfiber cloth and then just take it and then wipe it around the tire. As far as when I do it on my rims, it's not really meant for the rims, but you also don't want to spray it on your rotor pads or anything like that. So I personally spray it on the microfiber cloth and then I'll wipe the rim itself and giving the rim a nice shinier effect to it. That's just me. You don't have to do that. It's not meant for that. But overall, it brings a nice, clean, bright shine to your tire. And I like using it after all my car washes. When I look back at it, I say sometimes maybe 3 days to a week, depending on how I'm driving, where I'm driving, and how dirty the environment is around me. My tires are still nice and clean looking, and overall, it doesn't look dirty. But I say I recommend this product. I can't say there's any real downfalls to it. I will say though, if you are doing spraying this on the tire itself and not on just a cloth, be wary of the residue that's left because it is slippery. So if you get on your driveway or anything, it may leave a little bit of a oil spot and it will be a little slippery when you're stepping on it with your foot. So just be wary of that. Other than that, that's really the only flaw there is to it. But I'm sure all real things that are greasing up your tires are going to have that effect. So overall, no complaints to this, and I recommend this product.